All right, gang. You know, it's like every kid's rite of passage, slime. They gotta have a season of life where they go through it, where they play with it, where they have fun with it. And here's a great little twist on your traditional slime. We've got glow-in-the-dark slime here. You should check these out. It comes in a 12-pack, which makes it great for goodie bags, birthday parties, gifts, stocking stuffers, things like that. Comes in 4 different colors: your green, your yellow, your pink, your blue, which I've already been playing with. Now it is a slime, so it's going to feel a little bit slimy to your touch. But one of the things I do love about this is it doesn't have an offensive odor of any sort. It kind of smells like soap almost, a little bit of soap-like smell to it, and it's not really leaving any residue on my hands or anything like that. Now, one of the things I did read online is people complaining that they were having trouble getting it glowing in the dark. That's because it's like any other glow-in-the-dark product. You have to charge it by putting it in some sunlight. So you need to make sure you take this out of the box before you're trying out the glow-in-the-dark feature of it. Stick it in a windowsill, stick it somewhere where it gets some sunlight so it can absorb those UV rays and start the glowing process in the dark. So check it out. If you're looking for a fun little slime toy, something fun to throw in some goodie bags, to give away at a birthday party or things like this, check it out. It's glow-in-the-dark slime. Gotta love it.